Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to use the adaptive triggers on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So it's very easy to use your adaptive triggers on the PlayStation 5, and I absolutely love these on the single player games, but not so much on the multiplayer games in first-person shooters like Call of Duty. Now, when I'm playing single players like pulling back like a bow and arrow or something like that, it's amazing. Now, to turn this on, if you press the PlayStation button, and then you go on over to your accessories where your controller is located, press this, then go to your wireless controller and go to controller settings. I'll bring open this page really quickly. Now you can see at the top vibration intensity. Now the standard is strong, but make sure this is turned on. Then go to trigger effect intensity. Now once again, standard is strong all the way to off, weak, or medium. Now when using your microphone on your controller, the intensity is set to weak. If you use a headset or mute the microphone, the intensity selected here will be applied. So if you are using the microphone on the controller, the rumble effect is going to be set to weak. So you will want to go ahead and mute that, or put on a headset to get the strongest trigger effect. Now to test out your adaptive triggers or vibrations, the best game to go ahead and download for free is Astro's Playroom. Just go ahead and search for that under search right here. Just type in Astro Playroom and go ahead and get that. And this will have a controller demo where you can go ahead and try out the adaptive triggers and try them out with the controller on screen. Then also you can test out the different vibrations, the touchpad, and the motion sensors. And it's really cool to feel all the different vibrations and just how unique this controller is over the previous generations. So go ahead and try this out. If this video did indeed help you out, go and leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.